What if America stopped asking for respect and started demanding it? What if Detroit built a luxury machine so unapologetically dominant that it made British aristocracy feel outdated? What if I told you Cadillac just built a rolling fortress designed to shake the thrones of Rolls-Royce and Bentley? Meet the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado. And no, this is not a comeback. This is a conquest. Before we go further, if you believe American luxury deserves its crown back, hit that like button right now, because what you're about to see is not just a car, it's a statement. The name Eldorado isn't random, it's sacred. From chrome-drenched icons of the 50s to land yacht dominance in the 70s, Eldorado once defined American excess. But 2026? This isn't retro nostalgia. This is modern power wearing a tailored suit. Longer than a Phantom, wider than a flying Spur. Lower, meaner, more intentional. This isn't a luxury sedan. This is a rolling declaration of independence. The front doesn't greet you. It stares you down. A massive illuminated shield grille, sharp vertical LED blades cutting through darkness. The hood stretches forward like a private jet runway. From the side, bulletproof presence, flush doors, gloss black pillars, massive 23-inch forged wheels. This isn't elegant softness, this is armored sophistication. At night, the full-width rear light bar glows like a red horizon. The vertical taillights slash downward like authority itself. When this Eldorado pulls up, conversations stop. Open the door, silence. Not just quiet, isolation. Triple-laminated acoustic glass, active noise cancellation, hand-stitched semi-aniline leather. Rear passengers, executive lounge seating, fully reclining, ventilated, heated, massaging. A 55-inch pillar-to-pillar curved display inspired by Cadillac Celestique technology. Real metal, real wood, real craftsmanship. No fake piano black plastic. This isn't British old money. This is American new power. Here's where it gets controversial. While Europe whispers about refinement, Cadillac went nuclear. Option 1, a 6.2-liter supercharged V8, 700 horsepower of Detroit thunder. Option 2, an all-electric all-wheel drive, 1,000 horsepower, instant torque, silent domination. 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds, in a vehicle the size of a boardroom. Let that sink in. This isn't just comfort, it's controlled aggression. And yes, it's faster than most Bentleys. Hands-free driving with next-gen Super Cruise, augmented reality head-up display, biometric entry system, facial recognition unlocks the door, fingerprint ignition confirms the driver, active suspension scans the road 1,000 times per second. Potholes don't disturb it, they apologize. This isn't luxury catching up, this is luxury leaping ahead. Let's talk rivals. Rolls-Royce Phantom costs over $500,000. Bentley Flying Spur, over $250,000 well equipped. Projected Eldorado price, starting around $220,000. Half the ego, twice the presence. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Rolls-Royce sells heritage. Bentley sells prestige. Cadillac is selling resurgence. This isn't about copying Europe, it's about outgrowing it. This car isn't for everyone. It's for CEOs who built from nothing, athletes who bet on themselves, creators who refuse limits. It's for people who don't inherit power, they create it. The 2026 Eldorado doesn't whisper wealth, it announces dominance. So, here's the question. Is American luxury finally back on top, or is this just bold marketing? Drop your answer in the comments. Would you choose this over Rolls-Royce or Bentley? If you want more unapologetic American power content, subscribe right now, because this channel doesn't chase trends, we expose revolutions. This is Cadillac. This is America. This is the 2026 Eldorado. And the throne? It's not borrowed anymore. It's reclaimed.